Well, Governor McKee has signed a proclamation officially declaring September Recovery Month in Rhode Island. The signing took place yesterday at the governor's overdose task force meeting, where members of the recovery community and more got to talk about overdose prevention strategies. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie joins us now with more.
434 Rhode Islanders lost their lives to a drug overdose, which data shows is down only 1% from the previous year. Community members talked about their ongoing work and goals to reduce these preventable deaths. Governor McKee says addressing the overdose epidemic is one of the 3 pillars of his administration's 2030 plan to create a healthier Rhode Island,
where we reduce chronic illness and improve health outcomes.
The governor's overdose task force recently recommended a statewide goal for fatal overdose deaths to achieve by 2030, aiming to return fatal overdose rates to 2018 levels and having the lowest death rates in New England. In 2018, 314 fatal overdoses occurred, but that figure rose to more than 400 deaths in the last 2 years.
We know that 434 people is too many.
Dr. Brandon Marshall, a Brown University public health researcher who tracks overdose trends, explains about 50% of overdose deaths in Rhode Island occur when people are using alone.
And that's a major problem, right? Because naloxone is only effective if someone is present, if they witness the overdose, and then have naloxone on hand.
A settlement with Teva Pharmaceuticals provides Rhode Island with 50,000 naloxone kits per year for 10 years.
And if we continue to distribute naloxone at very high rates and increase the proportion of overdoses that are witnessed, we could see a rate of 1 death for every 60 non-fatal overdoses.
Rhode Island is preparing to open one of the only safe injection sites in the country in Providence next spring inside Kodak Behavioral Health Care. The center will admit people who can inject narcotics under medical supervision. Details about both stories are posted on WPRI.com. I'm Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.